Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to move data automatically from one Google Sheet to multiple Google Sheets. Okay, so I have the data in this sheet and I want to move the data automatically in this and this sheet. Okay, so how to do it? So what you have to do, you have to just go to first sheet, okay, where you want to move the data, and here you have to press equals to. We are going to use this import range, okay, import range function here. So now it is asking for a spreadsheet URL. So first you have to just enter a inverted comma, okay, then you have to just copy the data, copy this link, okay, this browser link in search box. Copy the link and paste here. Okay, after the link you have to enter again inverted comma close, then comma, inverted comma, then you have to enter the sheet name. Okay, so the sheet name is sheet 1, so you have to enter the sheet name here, sheet 1. Okay, then this hyphen mark. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to go to the sheet again and just select the whole table, and then you have to copy this name box. Okay, copy this and paste here, then inverted comma close, bracket close. Now you will see here is error of reference. You have to just click on allow access. So when you click on allow access, you will see data is moved. Okay, now same thing you have to do here also. You have to just copy this, control A, control C, and paste here in A1 cell. Okay, again in this cell also. Now it is reference error. You will see there is a reference error. You have to just click on allow access and allow access. Just like that you can move data from one sheet to another sheet to multiple sheets. Okay,